J and welcome back to the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Look at my baby girl, Azaria. Say hey, Zari. Look, say hi to mommy's camera. Yeah, she waving at y'all. But basically, y'all, we are rock climbing, and these are the shoes that I got, and they run small. Let me show y'all my feet. This is what I got on. So it's just a little one piece or whatever. So, what you doing? Why you got mommy's glasses? Yeah. She's not rock climbing today, but she'll just be there. Yeah, ain't that right? Let me show y'all what it looks like in here. So these are the little shoes. This is my sister. Say hi.
We're rock climbing. I think the first time for everybody.
Yeah. First time. Y'all, it's my first time rock climbing. Pray for us. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we about to see.
Is this too high? I got mine like way like.
Alright, y'all, so we just put our gear on, as y'all can see. And what you gotta say? Huh? You ready to watch me rock climb? Yes.
Overnight.
Look at AJ, y'all. Go ahead, AJ. Y'all, look at my sister. She's scared. Keep going. Did she say somebody? She said somebody called the people. Lord have mercy. What are you doing? Oh, she's coming down. Say hi. Y'all, this wall is 40 feet tall. And this is the easier side because I think the little things are like closer together, and down here they're like spaced out. So it gets harder when you go down. And then upstairs they have some easier ones, and behind the bars also. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with this one because it seemed a lot easier, of course. And I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, y'all, they're my two sisters. My oldest sister, Christine, and my youngest sister, Sabrina. So Christine don't know what she's doing, so Sabrina gotta help her. But she finna go up, and we finna see how far she can get, or if she's gonna fall. Here she goes.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on love. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jocking me as soon as
You gotta climb sideways. Is that what helps? She climbing sideways. Is it helpful? Keep going. She making her way
So
up.
where to put your foot? It's a blue one right there. A little bit of
Yeah, I
you halfway.
ain't. Motivation from the girlies. Girl, keep going. Oh my God, you look so uncomfortable. Really? Oh, whoa. Look at AJ. AJ is literally.
Oh my God, I gotta take a picture of you. Your mom's gonna come.
you got it. Come on, Nate.
There's nowhere to go.
You gotta practice falling first.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry. So we used to this.
As I stepped in the spot, I stepped in the spot. 200 better ain't none of them hot. 7 was pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top, all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and drunk and man, I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and man, I think that we hit it on something proper like. Got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Triple shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working at the club, so I'm getting in free. I'm getting in free.
Sorry, say go!
Wow, that's your first shot too.
Okay, y'all, so I made it to the top on the first try, and I thought I wouldn't, but that was the easiest one. And they want to challenge me to do the medium one or try the harder ones. It's crazy because you don't even feel it until you get down. Like, my hands shaking, my legs are burning. Like, this is really a workout. Like, and I ain't worked out in 2 years after I had my baby, y'all. I tried to get back in the gym, but, you know, I'm going to ease my way back into there. But for me to have done this, it shows me I can do anything. So, with that being said, I ain't gonna be able to do this, not today, but yeah, we just gonna call it a day. You're right. But y'all, I really thought I couldn't, but I'm tired. I'm so tired. Okay, so everyone. So yeah, they can close in like 30 minutes, so they want to stop here, so we're gonna hit the other one. Yeah. I might try one more. Say hi to YouTube, AJ.
Woke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on nuts. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jocking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 better ain't none of them hot. 7 was pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top, all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and drunk and man, I think.
And she just want to climb up and down. One, two, yay! One, two, three! Boom! Good job. Come on, look.
Cheese. You eating nachos? Bite it. Hold on, you gotta bite on this side. You dropping your cheese. Ah, You just licked all the cheese. Take a bite. Oh, take a bite. Sorry, take a bite. There you go. Here you go. There you go. Y'all was sitting here at 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐀𝐍.
Wait, I gotta take my jacket off.
Oh, look, she dipping it.
Sorry.
Hey, how's everybody doing? Alright, it's Friday evening. We're gonna try that again. How's everybody doing? Okay, wow, ladies, I got you.
My dad is playing today, so. Hi! Look! We are watching Daddy perform at Wild Wings Cafe, y'all. Gonna eat. Gonna give me some wings.
call me Mr. Bombastic. Call me fantastic. That's what they call me Mr. Bombastic. Call me fantastic.